back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Today we're going to be moving the 6-liter out of the way. I'm going to go grab the 7.3. I just unboxed something over here. We're going to finally get to replacing that mirror that somebody vandalized on the 7.3. I did screw up when I ordered this one. I'll show you that in a minute, but it's going to work for right now. My plan is to upgrade the mirrors anyway. I want something a little different, but financially doesn't make sense, so we're just gonna fix the one mirror for right now until I get some other things caught up, and then we'll probably sit down and order some different mirrors for the Super Duty, the 7.3 Super Duty. Probably just gonna leave these ones alone because these are heated on the 6-liter and they've got the turn signals integrated into the mirror. And yes, the Expedition hasn't been fixed yet. That's got to go next week. So with that being said, I'm gonna go grab the 7.3 truck. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and replace this mirror, huh? Start off with taking this plastic piece off. Okay? And back behind there, I've already peeled this up once because I've replaced this mirror already once. So there's a bolt here and a bolt there. Alright, 12 or 7/16, not a 12. Now when you take these off, you want to tilt your wrench back and lightly pull. Make sure your nut stays on the end of your socket. Falls in the door, you can get it out, I promise. It's a pain, you need a magnet. You know, take your door panel off. Okay, that one doesn't want to come off on my socket. I'm gonna have to get my magnet just to get her. Boom. Okay. Now you are gonna have to take the door panel off because the plug is down in here somewhere. That's right. But I will show you something real quick here. I accidentally ordered a non-power mirror. So this is a remanufactured mirror, it looks like. Interesting. So, But this one's manual adjust. You just take your fingers and move it, which for right now, like I said, this is not. There's 2 more bolts. Okay, that's right. Hold on, we're not done yet. I was wondering why it didn't fall off. That's right, underneath these plugs right here, this one and this one are those 2 plugs. There's 2 more nuts. You could also do what I just did right there, get it almost all the way out and then unscrew it with the magnet. Yeah, you want to have somebody catch your mirror. Okay, so our mirror literally just fell off on the other side, and there's your wiring that goes down in the door. I luckily don't care about the paint job. I just put a little scuff in mine. It needs to be painted. Not the attitude to have. Make sure you catch your mirror. But this is how we're gonna fix our wiring dilemma. Now this mirror plugs in. There's a plug down there to the factory wiring harness. That's how I'm gonna delete my mirror for right now. I'm gonna tape these wires up because I got to get in this door to do a door lock soon, and I don't feel like taking the panel off today. I did not cut the wiring harness for the pickup. That's the wiring harness just to the mirror that's already screwed up anyway. Tape it and send it down in the door. New mirror has a gasket looking thing. That gasket goes like that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna check and see if my old bolts, old hardware works real quick. There's new nuts in the bag. Put the link to this mirror in the description below if anybody wants a $62 mirror. It's non-power. The nice thing about the non-power ones, the mirror doesn't shake. on the cheapo mirrors. Just something to think about. I'm gonna leave it folded. Here, out of your door. I was able to take this plug out and fish that nut up and out. It didn't fall all the way in the door. And put your trim piece back on. Put your rubber plugs back on. Voila. New telescoping Super Duty mirrors. It's actually good quality, guys. It looks like an OEM mirror. It's not bad at all. This doesn't vibrate too much. So yeah, this is gonna be a manual mirror for right now. But yeah, that'll get us by until I'm gonna upgrade. I want the 09 to 2010, 11, whatever mirrors those were, Super Duty mirrors. So yeah, that was quick and easy. All right, guys. On another note, updating you guys on the transmission. I don't know how many times I gotta do this, but yes, we're gonna keep continuing on the transmission sooner than later. I got really busy, and then we got John Fox coming. We'll talk about that in a second. But I really got to prioritize my budget on what I can spend, because this is not why John's coming down here. He's coming down here to paint Kyle's truck, so we got to focus our budget on getting that truck ready to get painted. So as soon as John Fox comes and goes, if I've got some spare coin, we'll go ahead and pull the trigger and get some parts coming for the transmission. I want it off my workbench because I literally haven't been able to use my workbench. I haven't touched anything except for maybe set a couple items down on top of the assemblies here. But as far as every organization of the parts go, I haven't moved anything, so it's just right here on hold. The transmission's gonna get worked on. It's gonna get done. It's gonna get back in the $200 truck. So just a little update on that. The Bronco is definitely getting shoved onto the back burner until after John comes and goes. And then this fall, we're gonna pull it back around out of its parking spot. We're gonna tinker with it a little bit. I'd like to drive it a little bit this winter. The Expedition's gonna get fixed by us now. I went ahead and decided not to have a professional shop do it. As we speak today, Kyle, I gotta call him back actually. Kyle found a door. So as soon as we hear back from that guy, we're probably gonna get a parts door. It's gonna be a white door, so we're gonna have to paint it, and John's gonna teach us how to paint. Everything's gonna come together on that. We're gonna fix the Expedition ourselves, save some money, learn a little bit about paint. There's gonna be no body. It's just gonna be sanding it down and painting it to match. Kyle's $800 truck. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link that episode at the end of this episode. Picking up Kyle's truck, the new $800 F-150 single cab, lifted on 35s. That's gonna be Kyle's new daily. We're knocking his 300 inline 6 in the head for parts, and then we're gonna put all the bad parts back on that, and then it's gonna be sold as a rolling chassis. Stay tuned for that. John Fox is coming. So if you don't know who I'm talking about, John Fox over at the Fox Shop, he's gonna have a button at the end of the channel. Looks like this. Click on it to subscribe. And also you could follow it over there. I might link one of his videos, maybe his recent video of something that he's done here in the last few weeks, so you guys can go over and check out one of his videos. I know a lot of you guys know who he is, but if you are subscribed to us and you do not know who John is and you're watching this video, you're going to want to subscribe to his channel, because he's going to be coming down and filming side by side, and there's going to be different perspective shots. You know, I'm going to be filming, and also John's going to be filming on the same thing, and there's going to be different things that he's going to capture that I'm not going to be able to capture. So make sure you guys tune into that. So subscribe now, so when we start filming and uploading videos when John is here, you'll know what you'll be right in with the action. So moving right along, if you are tuning in for the first time and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so right now. Somewhere down there, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell, guys, because we're going to be uploading probably every other day, if not every day, when John's down here. I'm going to try to get as much footage up, edited, and out is possible. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comments go down below. Until next time, guys, we'll catch you here on Central Oregon Shenanigans.